Good morning, children. I am your math ma'am speaking. How are you, children? I hope everyone are safe at home. Be safe and healthy. Without mask, don't go anywhere. Use mask wherever you can go. Ask your parent to wear the mask and kindly maintain the social distance in working place and public places also. Now we are going to start the session. Are you ready, children? Yes. I hope this session must be interesting one. Before we start our session, we need a certain things with us. A pencil, a scale, an eraser, studio, companion and water bottle. Those who are not having the studio and companion, no problem. Take a notebook, write the date and subject, copy down the topics in your notebook. Okay, shall we start this session? Yes. So this is the first session in math for 3rd standard. Okay, so what is the first lesson in math subject? Yes, the first lesson is the shapes around us. What is that? Shapes around us. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the few topics, okay, that we will see in the overview. Overview. What is overview? Overview is that what are the topics we are going to learn in this lesson. That is the overview. Okay. So see here. This is the overview for the first lesson. First one is the flat shape. Next one is solid shape. Flat shape and solid shapes based on its properties. Okay. What is that? Flat shapes and solid shapes based on its properties. The last one is tessellation. What is it? Tessellation. These 3 topics only we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, first we have to see the few topics alone. Okay, see already you learned what is flat shapes and solid shapes in 2nd standard itself. Okay. So this is the first part. In this first part we are going to discuss a few topics, that is adjacent corner, opposite corner and diagonals. What is it? Adjacent corner, opposite corner, diagonals. Okay, now you are going to say along with me. Okay, adjacent corner. Say along with me first. Adjacent corner, opposite corner, diagonals. Okay, now we see the first activity is the PEP. Okay. Now we are going to see the PEP activity 1.1. Okay, now all of you take your studio, page number 1. First activity is PEP activity. Okay, so see here, Anu is going to school. Help her trace the path from her house to this school. Okay, now we are going to help her to trace the path from her school to her house to the school. Okay, now all of you take your pencil. Now all of you take your pencil and trace that path. Okay, so see. So this is the diagram. Okay, figure 1. Okay, figure 1. Take your pencil. Trace that path. Take your pencil and trace the path. Trace the path, all of you. Yes. So you have to trace this dotted lines. Okay. Finally we got a what shape? It's a, yes, very good. It's a square shape. Yes. So in square shape means it is a square. Okay. It's a flat shape or solid shape? Very good. It's a flat shape. Okay. See how many corners in the square? Yes. It's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the corners. Okay. See all the corners have the some places. What is it? This one is the ice cream shop corner. This is school corner. This one is flower shop corner. This is the Anu house corner. Okay. So 4 corners have the places. One is Anu's house. Another corner is the ice cream shop. Next corner is the school. Last corner is the flower shop. Okay. So listen, name the shop Anu passes on her way to school. Okay, name the shop Anu passes on her way to school. Okay, so see here, Anu passes the two ways. One is ice cream shop to the school and then flower shop to school. So how many shops are there? It's a two. What are they? Ice cream shop and flower shop. So in the dash you have to write the two shops name. One is ice cream shop. Ice cream shop. Next one is flower shop. Everyone write this two shops name in the given line. So ice cream shop and flower shop. Okay. So have you completed this? Shall we move the next one? Okay. So see this figure. So now we have to help her to go to from Anu is going to school. Help her that trace the path from her school to her house to the school. Okay. So see the house. Anu school's in that one corner. Okay. So here the two ways are there. One is Anu's house to ice cream shop and then ice cream shop to the school. Okay. This is one path. Another path, Anu's house to flower shop to school. This is the another way. So totally two ways are there. Okay. Next one. So see the question first. Name the shop Anu passes on her way to school. Okay. So both the answer is correct. Which one you have to find it, that you have to write. So ice cream shop means write ice cream shop, or flower shop means you write flower shop. Okay. So first you see this figure 1. So Anu's house have the go to school means have the two paths. One is ice cream shop path, another one is the flower shop path. Okay. So see here, name the shop Anu passes on her way to school. Okay. If you found that ice cream shop path means you write first ice cream shop, or else those who found that path is flower shop means write flower shop alone. Okay. Any one you have to write. Okay. But the next question, is there another path that she can take to school? If yes means name the shop that she will pass to the school. Okay. So already you written that ice cream shop means here you have to write the flower shop. Yes. So in the first dash, those who written that ice cream shop means the next question answer you have to write the flower shop. Okay. Or else if then first dash, if you those who written that flower shop means here you have to write the ice cream shop. Okay. Now you cleared? Yes. So those who written that ice cream shop in the first dash means here you have to write the flower shop. Okay. So those who written that flower shop in that first dash means in the second question answer you have to write the ice cream shop. Okay. Clear? Shall we move the next activity? Yeah. Okay. Now all of you observe this figure 1 in page number 1. Okay. So Anu's house, flower shop, school, ice cream shop. Okay. So now you have to say that Anu house and flower shop. Okay. Anu's house and flower shop are dash to each other. I mean that is adjacent. Okay. Adjacent to each other. Okay. Close to each other. I mean nearly is there. It's Anu's house and flower shop. Okay. So next one is that Anu's house and school, it's like a opposite. So opposite to each other. So this is the concept of adjacent and the opposite. Okay. So this is the adjacent corner. This one is the opposite corner. So Anu's house, school. Anu's house and schools are opposite each other. And Anu's house and flower shop are adjacent each other. Okay. Adjacent each other. Okay. Now all of you take page number 2. See, Anu's house and flower shop are dash to each other. It's adjacent or opposite? Yes, very good. It's adjacent. Everyone write this word in that given line. Adjacent each other. Okay, adjacent each other. Next one. Hanu's house and her school are dash each other. Very good. It's opposite each other. So this is a concept for adjacent and opposite. Okay. Next we have to see the adjacent corner and opposite corner. Yes. So this is the definition for adjacent corner. The adjacent corner that share the same side. What is that? Share the same side are called the adjacent corner. So adjacent corner means share the same side. Okay. For example, so see here one square. Okay. So this is the same side AB. So AB is the adjacent corner. Otherwise BC is also the adjacent corner. CD is also called the adjacent corner. DA is called the adjacent corner. You have any doubts in this? What is adjacent corner? Yes. So in that figure, square AB is adjacent corner, BC is adjacent corner, CD is adjacent corner, DA is also the adjacent corner. Okay. Any doubts you have? Yes. So next one is the opposite corner. What is opposite corner? Opposite corners is that or opposite each other. Okay, opposite means it's opposite each other or called the opposite corner. Okay, so if I underline that's a few words means that is a key point for you. Okay, so the corners that are opposite each other are called the opposite corner. Okay, see one example. So this is one corner, this is another one corner. So totally the squares have the 4 corners. A, B, C, D. Here AC is the opposite corner. Is it correct? Yes, opposite corner means opposite each other, that is the opposite corner. AC is the opposite corner and BD is the opposite corner. Okay. Now you have any doubts in the adjacent corners and opposite corner? Okay. So now again we have to take the same Hanu's house figure 1 diagram. See all of you take page number 2. See the figure 2. Yes, this is the figure 2 picture. So here it's a square shape. Each corners have the some places, that is Hanu's house, flower shop, school and ice cream shop. Okay, here also we are going to trace the dotted lines. Take your pencil. First you have to trace the square path. Okay, first you have to trace the square path. So see, you have to trace that line. First you have to trace the square path. First you have to trace the square path. Trace the square path first. Next one, you have to trace that opposite path. Okay, so here we can identify that which is adjacent corner and which is opposite corner. Okay, so just now I taught you what is adjacent corner and what is opposite corner. So see here you going to say that answer, what is opposite corners? Yes, very good. Anu's house and school. Anu's house and school is the opposite corner. Okay. Another opposite corner. What is the next? Another opposite corner. Yes, very good. Flower shop and ice cream shop is the opposite corner. Very good. Super. So, Anu's house and school is the opposite corner. Flower shop and ice cream shop is the opposite corner. Okay. Yes. Now we found that what is opposite corner and what is adjacent corner. Okay. Now we have to see that what are the adjacent corners. See, I told you in that example figure, AB is the adjacent corner, BC is the adjacent corner, CD is the adjacent corner and DA also is the adjacent corner. So you have to apply this concept here also. Anu's house and flower shop is the adjacent corner. Okay. Flower shop and school is the adjacent corner because is the one side. Okay. Same side we have to share, that is the adjacent corner. Okay. School and ice cream shop is the adjacent corner. Ice cream shop and Anu's house is the adjacent corner. Okay. Now you have understood what is adjacent corner and what is opposite corner. Yes. So in the page number 2, you have to write that what is adjacent corner and what are the opposite corners. Okay. Yes. So in studio, you have to write that what are the adjacent corners and what are the opposite corners. In that figure 2, we have to write it here. Okay. So in this page only we have to write. Okay. So take this page and take a pencil and ready to write what are the adjacent corners and what are the opposite corners. See, already they given that one example, Anu's house and flower shop. Anu's house and flower shop or at adjacent corner. Remaining adjacent corners we have to write. Okay. So see the opposite corners. So one opposite corner they given itself. Okay. But we have to write the another opposite corner also in the given dash. Okay. Are you ready to write that answer? Yes. So in this line only we have to write. Take your studio page number 2 in this page. So first we have to write the adjacent corners. Already they given in book, but few students are not having the book. I know that. Please note down all the lines. Okay. So first one. So what is the first adjacent corners? Yes, very good. Anu's house and flower shop. Anu's house and flower shop. Anu's house and flower shop are at the adjacent corners. Yes, so these are the adjacent corners. Okay, first you read that Anu's house and flower shop and school and ice cream shop and Anu's. Okay, so these are the adjacent corners. Okay, this you have to write it in your studio. Okay, those who not have the studios, please take your notebook and note down all the points. Okay, this is the adjacent corners. Next we have to write what are the opposite corners. So these are the opposite corners. Okay, so see, Anu's house and school are opposite corner. Flower shop and ice cream shop are at the opposite corners. Okay, so this session we are going to end this. Okay, now we have to recall that, we have to see the quick recap. Okay. So in this session we have to see that what is adjacent corners and what is opposite corners and that's diagonals. So okay, diagonals is nothing but we have to see it later. Okay, now you see that first one is a pep activity. So this is the square. Okay, so this you have to write it in your studio first. Okay, next is the what is adjacent corners and what is opposite corners. So the corners that share the same side are called the adjacent corners. Next one is that corners that are opposite each other are called the opposite corners. Okay, so this is the figure 2. Anu's house and school is the opposite corner. Ice cream shop and flower shop is the opposite corner. The same side is called the adjacent corner. Okay, so see this adjacent corners. These are the adjacent corners in the figure 2 and these are the opposite corners in that figure 2. Okay, adjacent corners is the Anu's house and flower shop and school and ice cream shop and Anu's house. Okay, so these you have to write it in your studio. Okay, write it in your studio. Those who not have the studios, please take your notebook and write everything in your notebook. Okay, you have any doubts? Okay, next session we are going to do that hands-on activity. So next session we are going to do the hands-on activity. So before we start that second session, you have to get prepared that square sheet of paper and color pen. Okay, it's color pen or color sketch. Okay, I need a square sheet of paper and the color pen. I mean a sketch. Okay, thank you. See here one more topic we must mark, that is that diagonal. Okay, diagonal is nothing but that opposite corner. That opposite corner we drawn one line. No, that line we call it as a diagonal. Okay, diagonals. So the line we call it as a diagonal. I mean opposite corners. Okay, if we join that opposite corners, while we have to get one slanting line, that line we call it as a diagonals. Okay, the line we call it as a diagonal. So next session you have to get prepared that things. What are the things I told you that you have to keep it with you. Okay, thank you so much.